Thanks for joining us. Governor Evers has declared a state of emergency as our entire state of Wisconsin is now at a high risk for wildfires. Firefighters battled a massive brush fire in Menominee Falls just last Friday. About 400 acres there burned. Governor Evers' emergency declaration will allow for more resources to be deployed quickly, like National Guard Black Hawk helicopters. According to the governor's office, there have been more than 320 wildfires reported in Wisconsin so far this year, burning more than 1,400 acres.